Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off shuffle on Spotify. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the Spotify app and then open up the playlist that you would like to turn off shuffle on. Open one of the songs in the list, it doesn't matter which one. Then at the bottom left of the song you will see this crossing arrows button. This is the shuffle button. When shuffle is switched on, this button will be green and have a little dot below it. When shuffle is off, the button will be grey. Tap the button to turn off shuffle play. Your playlist will now play all of the songs in order rather than shuffling them. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Spotify tips and tricks.